In this video, we're going to take a quick look at how to sketch the graph of an absolute value function that's been translated both vertically and horizontally. So in this example, you see we have the absolute value of 2x minus 4 and then minus 3. So the way this plotting function works, and you can see by default, this plotting tool here is selected, and it says draw absolute value. And you have to do this in a particular order. First, you have to plot the vertex of the absolute value, that corner point, and then any other point that the graph is going to pass through. So for this one, to figure out what the vertex is, we have to figure out what value of x makes what's inside the absolute value equal to 0. So if you do a quick bit of mental math, you can see that when x is equal to 2, the inner part here, I'll just refer to it as the inner part, is going to be equal to 0. So that means the vertex is actually at 2 comma negative 3. So let's go ahead and plot that. So 2, negative 3, here's x equals 2, go down 3 units, and then that's the vertex. And then I can pick any other point that I know that the graph passes through. So for instance, let's say we wanted to use the y-intercept. For the y-intercept, we have to let x equal 0. And if I plug x equals 0 in, I'll have the absolute value of negative 4. Well, the absolute value of negative 4 is positive 4, and then I have to subtract 3, so that leaves me with 1. So that means the y-intercept is at the point 0, 1. So I go up here, and as close as I can get, I do that. And then you see magically, it then just creates this absolute value function that passes through this point and has that vertex. And then I can check to see how did I do. Let's see here, and everything is good, right? So that's the basis of it. The idea is plotting the vertex first and then followed by any point that the graph passes through. If you happen to make a mistake, you can always use the trash can, and then you can click on whatever you want to delete. So if you want to delete the entire line, you can do that. If you wanted to delete just a point, you could do that. Let's say I delete the entire graph, and then it's gone. And notice again, if I messed up and I did like 2, negative 3, but then okay, yeah. So this is a good point. You have to switch back to the plotting tool, make sure that's selected. Then let's say I did this again, and then if I picked the wrong y-intercept, let's say I picked that, obviously that's not going to be correct. All right. So there you go. That's the whole basis of plotting absolute value functions using Mobius. Good luck and have fun.